Welcome to our channel. Dynamax Global. Portugal, once celebrated for its warm climate, scenic landscapes, and relatively low cost of living, has seen a noticeable shift in demographic trends. In 2024, the country is experiencing a record number of departures. This essay explores the multifaceted reasons behind this exodus, examining economic, social, and political factors, as well as recent changes in immigration laws that have influenced both emigration and immigration patterns. Economic factors: high cost of living and stagnant wages. One of the primary reasons for the increased emigration from Portugal is the rising cost of living, which has outpaced wage growth. Housing prices, particularly in urban centers like Lisbon and Porto, have skyrocketed, making it difficult for locals to afford decent housing. The surge in property prices can be attributed to an influx of foreign investors and the popularity of short-term rental platforms like Airbnb, which have reduced the availability of affordable housing for residents. Unemployment and job market instability. Despite Portugal's recovery from the 2008 financial crisis, the job market remains unstable. Many young professionals find it challenging to secure stable, well-paying jobs. The prevalence of temporary contracts and the gig economy has contributed to job insecurity, prompting many to seek better opportunities abroad. Additionally, the country's educational system, although producing skilled graduates, has not been able to match the job market's demand, leading to underemployment and frustration among the youth. Economic inequality. Economic inequality has also been a driving factor. While Portugal's economy has shown growth, the benefits have not been evenly distributed. The wealth gap between the rich and the poor has widened, creating a sense of disenfranchisement among lower and middle-income families. Many feel that their financial situation has not improved despite overall economic growth, leading them to look for better prospects elsewhere. Social and cultural factors. Quality of life. The perceived quality of life in Portugal has declined for many, especially in urban areas. Issues such as overcrowded public services, long waiting times for healthcare, and deteriorating public infrastructure have made daily life more challenging. These issues have been exacerbated by the country's limited resources and slow pace of bureaucratic reform. Education and professional development. Portuguese education, while strong in foundational aspects, often falls short in providing students with the skills required for high-demand industries. Moreover, there is a lack of sufficient investment in research and development, which stymies innovation and the growth of high-tech industries. Consequently, highly educated individuals frequently leave the country to pursue advanced studies and careers in countries that offer better facilities and opportunities for professional growth. Political factors. Government policies and public trust. Public trust in government institutions has been eroding due to perceptions of inefficiency and corruption. Political scandals and a slow response to needed reforms have contributed to a general sense of disillusionment. The government's inability to address critical issues such as housing, public healthcare, and job security has led many to lose faith in the prospects of positive change within the country. Immigration laws and policies. Recent changes in immigration laws have also played a significant role. In an effort to manage the rising number of immigrants, Portugal has tightened its immigration policies. While these policies were intended to control the influx and ensure better integration, they have also made it harder for non-EU immigrants to settle, thus reducing the country's attractiveness as a destination for international talent. The increased bureaucratic hurdles and stricter visa requirements have discouraged many potential immigrants who could have contributed to the economy. The impact of the Golden Visa program. Attraction and backlash. Portugal's Golden Visa program, which grants residency to foreign investors purchasing property or investing in the country, has been a double-edged sword. On one hand, it has attracted substantial foreign investment, contributing to economic growth. On the other hand, it has driven up real estate prices, making housing unaffordable for many locals. This has led to social tensions and has been a significant factor in the decision of many Portuguese to leave the country in search of more affordable living conditions. International comparisons and influences. Comparison with other EU countries. When compared to other EU countries, Portugal's wages are relatively low while living costs are increasingly high. Countries like Germany, France, and the Netherlands offer more attractive economic conditions, including higher salaries, better job security, and more comprehensive social services. This disparity makes emigration an appealing option for many Portuguese, particularly the youth and skilled professionals. Influence of global trends such as remote work have also influenced emigration patterns. With more opportunities to work remotely, individuals are no longer tied to a single location and can choose to live in countries that offer a better quality of life or lower living costs. This has prompted some Portuguese citizens to relocate to other countries where their earnings can afford a higher standard of living. Changes in immigration law. Recent legislative changes in response to the demographic shifts and economic challenges. Portugal has implemented several changes to its immigration laws. These changes are aimed at balancing the need to attract foreign talent and investment while addressing the concerns of the local population. Stricter visa requirements. One significant change is the introduction of stricter visa requirements for non-EU immigrants. The government has tightened the criteria for work visas, making it more challenging for foreign workers to obtain legal residency. This includes higher salary thresholds, more rigorous proof of employment, and increased scrutiny of applicants' qualifications. Reforms to the Golden Visa Program. The Golden Visa Program has undergone reforms to address the housing affordability crisis. The minimum investment required for property purchases has been increased, and restrictions have been placed on the types of properties eligible for the program. These changes aim to reduce speculative investments in the real estate market, making housing more accessible for local residents. Initiatives to retain talent. To combat the brain drain, the government has introduced initiatives aimed at retaining local talent. These include scholarships for higher education, incentives for businesses to hire local graduates, and programs to support entrepreneurship and innovation. By creating more opportunities for professional development within the country, the government hopes to reduce the need for citizens to seek opportunities abroad. Conclusion. The record number of people leaving Portugal in 2024 can be attributed to a complex interplay of economic, social, and political factors. Rising living costs, job market instability, economic inequality, and a declining quality of life have driven many to seek better prospects elsewhere. Changes in immigration laws, aimed at controlling the influx of foreigners and addressing housing affordability, have also played a role in shaping these trends. As Portugal navigates these challenges, it will need to find a balance between attracting foreign investment and talent while ensuring the well-being and satisfaction of its residents. Addressing these issues holistically will be crucial for reversing the current trend and fostering a more stable and prosperous future for the country. Thanks for watching this video.